Today we are going to upgrade the memory of this notebook, which we used to edit videos. The model of it is MacBook 2020, and the memory of it is 16GB DDR4. The method to upgrade this notebook is different with the traditional ones because it doesn't have the memory module. Therefore, if we want to upgrade the memory of it, we need to replace the original particle. Okay, let's begin. First of all, dismantle the motherboard. Then we are going to put a 1K resistor on R1533. Add the resistor, then clean it up. Measure the resistance of this inductor, and it seems the resistance is normal. Next, remove the protective sticker. Okay, now we are going to take off these memory chips. Then, clean up the pad. Prepare the 32GB memory chips, which are HY, and the original chips are MC. Therefore, we need to change the MC identification resistors into HY. Then we can install the chips. Okay, done. Now we can install and test the notebook. We can see the memory has been changed into 32GB. Deal with the motherboard, and our upgrade is finished.